Today, we're going to work on vocabulary in content. That means that whatever you're reading, whatever subject, has vocabulary. So when you take in reading, you have vocabulary words, okay, that go with everything you read. But in science, you have vocabulary words. In social studies, you have vocabulary words. And even in math, you have vocabulary words, right? Mm-hmm. Today, we're going to study geometry words, okay? So, in the beginning, you normally learn about lines, and then you go to angles, then you go to triangles, then you go to polygons. Today, you're going to teach yourself these vocabulary words, okay? Let me give you an example, okay? So, in the very beginning, you're going to learn about a point, okay? Here's the word point. Here's a picture of a point, but now we have to find a definition of a point. Okay, so we find the definition, a place in space identified with a number or letter to specify an exact location. So now we have a match. Okay? So the next thing that you learn in geometry is about lines. A line, we're going to match it with a picture of a line, and then we're going to match it with the definition of a line. A set of points that extends in opposite directions and continues indefinitely. Okay? So after you learn about lines, the next thing that you learn about is angles. Okay? So we have the word acute angle. You're going to match a picture of it with an acute angle, and you're going to make absolutely sure you've got the right definition. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. So we have a match. Now what you are going to do is you're going to come around and you're going to match the words for triangles, okay? And then you're going to match the words for polygons, okay? So come on around here and you work together in matching, okay? There's 3 sets of matches because triangles have 3 sides. So match the word to the definition to the picture.
Obtuse triangle.
Okay. Find an obtuse triangle. Okay. Find a picture of an obtuse triangle. And then find the definition. Okay. Have you got a match?
We have a match.
All right. What's the next one?
Equilateral triangle.
Okay. Find equilateral triangle. Okay. Does that look like that?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let me show you do that. Triangle with 3 sides. Yeah, that's it. And then we substitute triangle just to make sure. A triangle with 2 sides of equal length.
Okay.
2 sides of equal length.
Okay.
And it looks like it's found a match.
So you've matched 3 cards for 3 triangles. Perfect. Now go on, and now you're going to match polygons.
A heptagon, a 7-sided polygon.
That's super. So what did you match first?
The heptagon.
Heptagon.
The hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. I think I found it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. I found the definition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, right here. And then a decagon, a 10-sided polygon. Definition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it. And then an octagon, an 8-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8-sided polygon. And then a rectangle, a 4-sided polygon having all right angles. And then a square, 4-sided polygon with sides sides of equal length. Looking at right angles. And then a polygon, a nice-sided polygon. And then this one's the regular one.
I threw one in as a trick question, didn't I? Okay, now at the very bottom are geometric solids. I need you to pick out of those solids and match it to the name, so you can tell me the name of each one.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
This is a sphere.
Sphere, okay.
Cube. Cone.
Cone, okay.
This is a cube.
All right. Jeremiah, what's the blue one you have in your hand?
This one is a cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay, so you guys think you know it, right? Okay, let's see if you really know it. Come on over and have a seat. Okay. Okay, without looking at them, pick which one you want. Okay. So we're going to play a version of bingo called Geometry. And instead of getting numbers, you're going to have geometric shapes. Okay. So let's see if you really know your shapes and you know your geometric terms, all right? Okay, those. Okay. So instead of B-I-N-G-O, we have G-E-O-M-Y. Geometry. Okay? Geometry. Okay. M, perpendicular lines. So under M, do any of you have perpendicular lines?
Nope.
No, huh? Okay, let's try this. G, obtuse angle. G, obtuse angle. Okay. How about O squared? Does anybody have O squared? Well, we gotta find one you have. Okay, how about G hexagon? Does anybody have G hexagon?
Yep.
Okay, you sure you counted the sides?
Yep.
All right. How about G obtuse angle? Does anybody have a G obtuse angle?
Nope.
All right. G acute angle.
Nope.
Nobody has a G acute angle. All right. How about G parallel lines?
Yep.
Anybody have a G parallel lines? Good for you. Okay. G plane.
Nope.
Okay, do you have a plane? Okay, G plane. How about a G trapezoid?
Yep. Yep.
All right, trapezoid. So you guys know what a trapezoid is. Okay, does anybody have a G point? No, an M point. My bad. M point. No M point. Okay. How about a G